Have you ever watched a video that just felt empty? No goosebumps, no laughter, no tension. Even though the footage was good. 9 times out of 10, it's not the visual, it's the sound. Today I am breaking down the 3 sound effects every video needs, and more importantly, which emotion each one is built for. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which sound effects to reach for when you want your audience to feel something. Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. If you're new here, I make video about editing, sound design and storytelling for creator like you. Sound effects are the most underrated tools in editing. A single whoosh, thirds or riser can completely change how a scene feels, even if the video itself does not change at all. So let's talk about the 3 categories that matter most. The first one is the impact sound effects. These are used the moment something land, a cut, a reveal, a punchline, a big number appearing on screen. If you want your audience to feel like wow, that's just happened, an impact sound is your best friend. Why every big reveal in a video, a before after transformation, a plot twist, a text pop up, how the has that heavy thoughts behind it. Let's explain with example. Suppose you are revealing a shocking statics on a screen. The moment the number appears, you drop an impact sound. Instantly, the numbers feel heavier and more important. Rule of thumb: use impact sound sparingly. If everything hit hard, nothing hits hard. Save them for your top 3 key moments in a video. The second one is riser. This is the sound your brain associates with something is about to happen. Movie trailer use this constantly. That slow swelling sound like before the title cards hit. It work because riser create a psychological pitch. Once your audience hears that build, they need the release. The third one is whoosh and ambience sound. The swipe, transition, and the background texture that move a scene from one moment to the next. The ambience sound effects create emotion like flow, energy, smoothness. This one subtle whooshes don't shock or build tension. They make transition feel intentionally instead of gelling. Ambience, on the other hand, set an emotion undertone in the background. Wind for loneliness, a calm hum for focus, a bursting crowd for chaos and excitement. Let's another example. If you are filming a calm morning routine, a subtle ambient sound bed, birds, soft wind make the whole scene feel warmer and more immersive. Even if your camera mic barely picked any that up, it's easy to forget because it's not flashy. So these are 3 most important sound effects which makes video professional. If this helped you understand sound design a little better, drop a like. It generally helps this channel grow. And if you want more breakdown like this on editing, sound and storytelling, make sure you are subscribed because I am dropping a lot more of these. Let me know in the comments which one of these 3 do you forget to use the most. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.